Okay, we just finished the mini micro crunch, and now we're gonna go into the extended micro crunch, and that's gonna be where we start lifting up the legs and rolling up the upper spine at the same time. So as we lift up the extended legs from the bottom, pulling in and up the lower spine, we're gonna be rounding and contracting the upper spine, and you're gonna see a lot of strength polarities. This time we wanna be really aware of our necks. So I also, so that I don't pull with my neck, I like to just touch my head. Somehow just doing this very lightly does something to remind me that I'm actually tucking my chin here, and that it doesn't have to do with this. So you have to watch this in yourself if you have this tendency. Adjust your arms as necessary. We also want to look at our lumbar. We want to see, okay, so I didn't explain this yet. What you're noticing is that your lumbar will naturally find its place on the floor. You don't need to press it into the floor. That if you use the proper mechanics of rolling from the upper spine and pulling up from the inner spine, you will naturally find your lumbar supporting itself on the floor. And the reason why I make mention of this is because a lot of exercises, they tell you, okay, now roll down so that you have no space. And what happens is, you see this pooch? What happens is it totally imbalances my lower musculature, the lower abdominal muscle. I'm like, how do I get it in now? It's sticking out. I can't get it in unless I suck up through up through there. So the thing is we don't want to start an exercise by pressing our spine back. We want that natural curve, and then we want the back, the spine, to find its own support through the natural function of the proper use of the muscles in their right design. Because if the lumbar is naturally falling to the center from the lower spine, it's coming in and up. If it's naturally finding the center, it's coming down and in. Okay? So, here we begin. Okay. Natural lumbar curve, find it as you know it. Okay. Legs straight out in front of you, feet are flexed. Soft breathing to start. Start activating your exhale, becoming aware of your pelvic floor. Feeling the contraction of the above the belly button region. Okay, so we're doing mini crunches first. And I'm going to hold my mini crunch on the third. Exhale. Now I'm going to lift my left leg straight. Lift my right leg straight. And at some point, I'm going to feel my scapula pushing into the floor. I'm supporting my neck. And I am going to pull up with all my might on my pelvic floor and pubis. And lift both legs. Oh, I did it wrong. How can you tell? Because this lower belly stuck out. That means I have to do it slower. Okay.
I just brought you.
Oh God, I'm filming. Okay.
I know, I just realized.